morning, children. How are you? Have you had your breakfast, ma'am? Okay. So once again, we come to our English grammar class. How many parts of speech you remember? 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction. Last one is the interjection. Okay. Yesterday I taught types of nouns. Okay. How many types of nouns? 5. Number 1 is the common, proper, material, collective. Last one is the abstract and then concrete. Okay. Today I wanted to tell pronouns. So we have actually what is the meaning of the pronoun? It stands instead of the noun. It stands instead of noun, that is known as pronoun. Pronoun. Noun, in the place of the noun what we used, that are known as pronoun. Okay. Here we have two classes of the pronouns. Number 1 is definite pronoun. Definite pronouns. Under the definite pronouns we have again 5 we have. Okay, one by one I'll explain. Number 1 is personal pronoun. Number 1 is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means it stands for the persons. It will show about the person. Personal, that is a personal. This is my personal affair. So personal pronoun. So in this personal pronoun we give the one table. This is the first person, second person and third person. Singulars, then plurals. Singulars and plurals. First person singular, I. First person plural, we. Second person singular, you. And second person plural also, you. Third person singulars, he, she and it. Plural, they. So these all stand for, used for persons. These are all known as the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. So first person singular, I. First person plural, we. Second person singular, you. Second person plural, also you. How can we identify that is the singular and plural? If I ask the question, one person, what are you doing? He will give the answer or she will give the answer, I am. I am. So at that time you have to think that you is the singular. If I ask the same question whole class, what are you doing? What they will give? They won't say I am. They will say we are. So based on the question, you have to think that is a singular and plural. Okay, ma? Then third one, third person, he, she, it. These three are known as the singular and third person plural, they. This known as the personal pronoun. So under the definite pronouns, number 1 is personal pronoun. And second one, you remember this, from this only we are going to frame the, and second one, you remember, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are known as the personal pronouns. And second one, based on that, we are framing what we are going to learn the second one. Okay, what is the second one? Second one is the reflexive pronoun. The second one is the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. First one is the personal pronoun. Second one, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive means these reflexive pronouns are going to form from the personal pronoun. Personal pronouns just now we learned. Okay, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. How I am going to frame? Let you see. First one, first person singular, I. myself. I, myself. First person plural, we, ourselves. We, ourselves. And first person, second person singular, you singular, yourself. Yourself. Second person plural, yourselves. Yourselves. So where there is a plural, we added we, yes. Where there is singular, self. Okay. Here also, we, yes, plural. This is the singular. This is the plural. And then third person singular, he, himself. He, himself. And she, herself. It, itself. It, itself. They, themselves. They, themselves. Where all the plural, we added LVS, LVS. So, I myself done the work. Myself only, not anybody. Then we, ourselves, we enjoyed ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves. Where there is a we, ourselves. I, myself. You, yourself. You, yourself, singular. You, yourselves, plural. He, himself. He killed himself. She killed herself. It, itself. It is the neuter. Okay. So it whether we unable to find out that is the male or female, at that time we can use the it, itself. They, themselves. So these are known as the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are formed from the personal pronouns. Okay, ma. Afterwards I'll give the note. Then third one. Third one. Third one, interrogative. Third one, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Actually, interrogative means keeping the question mark. Interrogative. So we have the two types of the questions. Number one is the WH questions. Okay, ma'am. So from the beginning, from the lower section, we are making the question by using the WH. What are you doing? What is your name? How old are you? Like that. Okay. So these are known as the interrogative by using the making the questions. Making the questions. Making the questions. So that is the interrogative means question mark. What is your name? Where are you going? Who are you? All these making the questions are known as the interrogative. Next one is the fourth one, demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun means it points to the noun. It points noun or it shows noun. For example, that, this, those, these. These will come under the demonstrative pronoun. That is a wall. This is a wall. Those are jumping. These are playing. So it points the noun. Demonstrative, you remember these words will come. These words will show the nouns. Okay, these are known as the demonstrative pronoun. Then under the demonstrative pronoun, I'll tell one more thing is third one is the interrogative pronoun. Amma. Here we can find out interrogative pronoun or interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. I'll give one table, easily you can find it. So pronoun and adjective. Mine, these will come under the pronoun. Mine, my, ours, our, thine, thy, yours, your, his, his, hers, her, theirs, their. In the pronoun, it is not there. In the adjective, it is there. These are come under the interrogative pronoun. All these words will come. Interrogative, adjective, all these will come. So, why I wrote me just now, I told you, the interrogative pronoun is making the questions. Okay, ma? So, here you have to find out the some questions. You remember this? How to find out interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Example, which is your house? Which is your house? Question mark. And second one, which house is yours? Which house is yours? Here, which is your house? Here, your, this is the pronoun. So, where is the your here? Where is the your here? Adjective. House. Which is your house? So, always before the noun, this pronoun will be there. This is the noun. So, before the noun, that means it won't, pronoun never depends upon the noun. Never depends upon the noun. So, this is known as the adjective. Then, which house is yours? Here, house. After the pronoun, it came house. So, it depends upon the noun. So, easily you can find what is the pronoun and what is the adjective. Okay, ma? So, next one. Last one. Fifth one, relative. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relationship showing, that is the who, that, where. These all come under the relative, relationship showing. So, who is talking to principal sir? She is my mother. Who wore red saree? Where my mother is standing, she is my mother. So, like that, it will show the relationship to the noun. Okay. So, number one is the personal pronoun. Second one is the reflexive. Third one is the interrogative. Fourth one is the demonstrative. And fifth one, relative pronoun. Okay. So, yesterday we taught types of noun and today we learned types of. Okay. So, two classes I told you, and second one is the indefinite one. Second one is the indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Under the indefinite pronoun means we are unable to tell the correct number. Any, few, some, These words we will use indefinite, not definite one. Okay, ma? Then next one is the distributive. Distributive pronoun. Distribute pronoun. Distribution means each, neither, every. We are distributing to all, everyone, each and everyone, like that. This is the distributive pronoun, and second one is the indefinite pronoun. So two classes. Number one is the definite pronoun. Definite pronoun we learned 5. Indefinite one, what is 2? Indefinite pronoun and then distributive pronoun. These are the classes of the pronouns. Okay, ma? So have you learned? Don't forget, I'll give afterwards notes and then some exercises. Everyone do the exercises in your classworks or homeworks. Okay, don't neglect, don't forget. Okay, ma? Bye.